Good morning, it's Jeff from the Speed Shop. First car up for Dyno Days. Chase Nicholson's brought us his 85 Mustang. Chase, why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about it?
Originally, it was my grandma's car. Well, it was a little V6. I've had a few different motors in it over the years. This is currently a 4.8 LS-based motor with a 78, 75 turbo and a cam. Nothing too wild. Should be fun. Yeah.
Yeah, so the really cool thing about this car is it's not a professional build. It looks really good, but it's a garage build. Chase did all the work himself, and it looks really good. And we're going to find out here pretty quick, like what kind of power it makes.
Yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks very much for bringing it
No,
down,
of
Chase.
course. Thanks, guys.